there, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to Kitchen Garden Therapy. I am Slava, and today we're diving into the future of gardening with the revolutionary product, the LetPot Max Hydroponics growing system. The LetPot Max brings hydroponics and smart technology together to create a self-managed garden that's perfect for year-long indoor growing, but especially for fall and winter months when the outdoor gardening is not possible for many people, including me, since I live in Chicago and the growing season is pretty short here. That's why I'm so grateful to LetPot for sending me this hydroponic system. It is the world's first system to offer automatic watering and nutrient supply. You can easily go on vacation and this machine will do everything on its own. With a water level sensor, the machine can detect when the water reservoir is low and automatically draw water from an external source while providing the perfect amount of nutrients. You can connect this water tube it comes with to any large water reservoir. The reservoir size depends on your needs. The longer your vacation, the bigger the water jug. This ensures that your plants always have the right amount of water and nutrients they need to thrive. It also comes with a fertilizer to use. The concentrated nutrients only need to be diluted with water and shaken for easy and convenient use. This formula is suitable for most plants. It contains essential and trace elements that cater to the different stages of seedlings, growth, and flowering. It is ideal not only for hydroponic cultivation but also for indoor and outdoor plants, including shrubs, trees, vegetables, and herbs. LetPot nutrient solution is also pet-friendly and safe. I like to turn on pump so it can mix the nutrients I just added. What's also different about LetPot is its 8-level adjustable LED lighting system for different plant needs. With just one click, I can change the lighting. You can also change it and adjust from your app on the phone. Another great feature is the fact that the light can get really high, so you can grow tall veggies here, things like tomatoes or cucumbers. You can see how much taller it is compared to my other hydroponic systems. What I love about the LetPot Max is its versatility. With 21 plant pots, you can grow a wide variety of herbs and vegetables. So let me share with you what I have growing in here. So I started all of these exactly 1 month ago. So this growth is 30 days from seed without any pre-sprouting. So I have leafy greens here, things like lettuce, I have cilantro, and I have cucumbers. These cucumbers are specially for indoor growing. They are self-pollinated. Do you see that little cucumber forming over there? It's so cute. I also have some basil in here, and this basil is growing like crazy. This is Persian variety of basil. It is strong in flavor and is as tall as my tomato. Can you see that? My tomato is starting to bloom in 30 days. Wow, I'm so surprised. Can't wait for little baby tomatoes to form. I have already tried growing tomatoes indoors hydroponically and it was a success. So I am sure they will be growing beautifully in here. I also have started some bok choy and we had been picking this bok choy already. As you can see, there are missing leaves. I like to kind of cut the outer leaves and then let the middle grow. Same with the lettuce. I always pick lettuce leaves from the outside, cilantro too. This ensures a continuous growing. I have another cilantro over here on this side. And I have more cucumbers on that side as well. Also, I have two miniature pepper plants over here. You know, hot peppers take a while to sprout and grow. Usually, if I grow seedlings in the spring for hot peppers, it takes 2-3 weeks for them to sprout in soil. Well, it is a month, and they are, you can see how big they are. And once these lettuces will come out, the pepper plants will be moved to the middle and take the space over there. And these cucumbers, I'm going to train them and grow them vertically on the sides of this machine. So I'm really happy with LetPot Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you would like to order this machine, please click on the link in the description box below. And I'll see you next time. Happy growing!